Welcome to the amazing world of computers. Computers are powerful machines that help us work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. A computer is an electronic device that can store, process, and retrieve information. It works based on instructions and performs many tasks in just a few seconds. Every computer has two main parts: hardware and software. Hardware includes the CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, and memory. Software includes programs like Windows, MS Office, browsers, and applications. Computers are used everywhere: in education, business, hospitals, banking, designing, entertainment, and even space research. With artificial intelligence, robotics, and machine learning, the future of computers is limitless. The world is moving towards smarter and automated technology. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about computers and technology, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.